How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers full tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and sampling you pen an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. For example, this one. And this one too, as you can see, this is an AI influencer and is powered by AI, as you can see. That means it doesn't exist and has over 300K followers. I mean, over that mean there's real people follow her. So dive into the world of AI influencers, where virtual personalities are redefining the rules of social media marketing and racking in cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to do the voiceover. You don't have even to write a script. So as you can see, there's here a lot of likes, comments, so you can create yours too, and then you can get money with it. So uh, a lot of influencers earns millions of dollars. In this video, I'll show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So first step, you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencers is creating your AI character. But don't worry, actually you don't have to create one because we have here hygiene.com. It's an AI based tool that can be used to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com, and as you can see here we have the option to get started, so you can choose the which one you want and then you can start. And also here we have a lot of options. As you can see, we have here use cases, features, resources, company pricing. So for the features, you'll see a various thing that have the website, so you can find AI avatar, AI voices, video translate, personalized video streaming, avatar, and zipper. So there's a various thing that you can read over here, and then you can get more information to more understand. So you can choose which one you want to get started with. And if we scroll down over here, you'll find an AI character explaining a specific video, a specific topic. For example, that one is introducing the website using the script. And you can use yours too, and then you can choose the topic you want and you're gonna start with. If we more scroll down, you'll find the various AI character explaining a specific topic. Here we have this one for product marketing, second sales outreach, content marketing, learning and development. So you can find a lot of AI character with different video, different topics. And this is the AI character that have the website, so you can choose the one you want and then you can start with. So to get started, you can just click one of these options. So you can click to get started, and then you can enter your email, your verification code, your or you answer for a few questions, then you're gonna sign up. As you can see, it will lead you to this homepage. So this is the homepage. This is my recent creation because I already have account here, and this is the hygiene learning guide. It will help you to more understand how these things work. So for example, if you don't understand AI Studio, you can just go over here and click on AI Studio and watch the video. Then you're gonna understand the same thing for video avatar, AI voice, video translation. And if we more scroll down, you'll find templates. As you can see here, we have a various templates with a various AI character, a various topics. So this is for example, promo video. This one or this AI character is introducing the promo video, so you can choose the one you want and then you can start with these templates. And if we more scroll down, you'll find avatars. If you want to create your own video, you can just go to video avatar to choose another AI character. For example, let's go to studio avatar to choose an example that we can start with. As you can see here, we have a lot of AI characters. We can choose which one you want. Here we have, for example, Tina is in black. I'm sorry, Tina in black. And this is this three dot if you want to edit avatar, if you want to get avatar ID. This one if you want to create video. So we can click over here. We can we by clicking on the landscape, because this if you want to start with YouTube. So as you can see, there's a lot of options here. We have the AI character. You can put it on the left, you can put it on the right, on the middle. You can also determine the size of your AI character and the animation too. So you can add an effect on enter, add an effect on leave. There's a various effects. So we have here fat, left, right, up, down. And also if you want to add a script, so you can delete the script and then you will add it yours. If you want to add it another one, you can add it. If you want to add it post section, you can add it. You can make it 3 seconds, maybe less, maybe more. You can also add it recording, so you can just click here to start. And also if you want to upload audio, and if you wanna or if you find some difficulties on writing script, you can use help by click in here the topic and send it to GPT script writer. It will help you to uh, create one. And also translation, so you can here translate the script to a specific language. You can choose the language you want and then you can click on apply. And for the voices, you can select the voice you want by clicking which type you want. It depends on your content and that one suits you more. Here we have a various voices, so you can choose, for example, ads, explainer, natural, audiobooks, e-learning, narration, games, and you can select the language too, so you can select which one you want. And also the gender, as you can see, I already choose the female AI character, so of course the voice will be female. And the age, you can select which one you want. Is it child, youth, middle-aged, older? The function too, you can adjust the function by clicking which one you want, and then you can edit your video the way you want it. So you can just after finishing your edit, click on submit and your video will be ready to publish it on your YouTube channel, and then you can earn money. So let's say for example you can start as an affiliate marketing through platforms like impact.com. um, Offers affiliates flexibility in terms of how they promote product or services, allowing them to work independently. So by promoting products or services through affiliate partnerships, affiliates can earn commissions on sales generated through the referral links, or you can just simply create a video guide using an AI influencer. Can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience by starting on defining your topics. Just make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and the AI influencer. And these two ways are just two examples to get start earning money. For example, this one you can start with, as you can see, you can create your own one and then you can publish your video on your channel, and that help you if you use AI character to get your YouTube channel monetized quickly. That help you really to earn money. And this is just as I mentioned example, so there's a lot of ways to earn money using this AI influencer. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.